Hey everyone, today I'm going to unlock the secrets to success in real estate video marketing. In today's digital age, video marketing isn't just an option, it's a necessity. If you're ready to take your real estate game to the next level, stick around, because these tips are going to elevate your business. First off, let's talk about the power of storytelling. People love stories. When you're creating a video, don't just list the features of the property. Instead, craft a narrative. Imagine the viewer already living there. Describe how the morning sun lights up the kitchen, how the backyard is perfect for summer barbecues, and how the cozy living room is ideal for family movie nights. Make the viewer emotionally connect with the property. Next up is the importance of high-quality visuals. No one wants to look at shaky, grainy footage. Invest in a good camera and a stabilizer. If that's out of your budget, don't worry. Modern smartphones have excellent cameras. Just make sure you have good lighting and use a tripod to keep the shot steady. And remember, always shoot in landscape mode. Now, let's dive into showcasing the neighborhood. The property might be amazing, but potential buyers are also interested in the surroundings. Highlight local amenities, parks, schools, and shopping centers. A quick drone shot of the area can provide a fantastic view of the neighborhood. Another golden tip is to keep it short and sweet. Attention spans are short these days, so aim to keep your videos around 2 to 3 minutes. Get to the point quickly. Highlight the most important aspects of the property in the neighborhood. Don't forget about the power of social proof. Include testimonials from satisfied clients. A quick clip of a happy family talking about their experience can go a long way in building trust with potential buyers. Now let's talk about distribution. It's not enough to just create a great video. You need to get it in front of as many eyes as possible. Share it on all your social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and even TikTok. Don't forget to embed it in your listings and on your website. Email it to your clients and prospects. Last but not least, analyze your performance. Use tools like YouTube Analytics or Facebook Insights to see which videos are getting the most views and engagement. What's working? What's not? Use this data to refine your strategy and create even better content in the future. And there you have it, folks. Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to mastering real estate video marketing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more real estate tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.